candidate P and Q contested in an election where the voters pre-decide the candidate they will vote for by giving a promise before the polling day. As per the promises received from the voters, P was to win the election by a margin of 1 vote. However, on the day of election, 1/7 of the candidates who had promised to vote for P voted for Q. Similarly, 1/9 of the candidates who had promised to vote for Q shifted their votes to Q. Q finally won the election by 1 vote. The total voters in the election must be. So here it is a quantitative aptitude question, more into the logical reasoning of it. You have to understand what the question says, then do the problem. It is simultaneous equation solving also is involved here. Simultaneous equation solving also is involved here. But it's simple. Understand the question. See, what happens is the voters decide that this is the person I am going to vote. This is the person I am going to vote. So they promise, and that as per the original promise, P was supposed to win the election by 1 vote. But on the actual voting day, 1/7 of those who had promised for P voted for Q. Similarly, 1/9 of those who had promised for Q voted for P. Ultimately, it was Q who won the election by 1 vote. So this is P and Q. P and Q. See, I'll say this as promised votes. This is promised. Promised votes. This will be X and this will be Y. And as per the promise, P was supposed to win the election by 1 vote. So X minus Y will be equal to 1. X minus Y will be equal to 1. Now what happens is actual vote. Actual. So 1/7 of those who promised for P shifted their votes to Q. So this will become X minus X by 7. And here it will become Y plus X by 7. Similarly, 1/9 of the votes shifted to P. So minus Y by 9. Here it will be plus Y 9. Now what they say is Q won the election by 1 vote. So then it will be Y plus X by 7 minus Y by 9 minus of X minus X by 7 plus Y by 9 will be equal to 1. Now you will have to solve these two equations. You will have to solve these two equations. See, what I do is, the easier way of solving it is, I release the brackets first. So this will be Y minus X, and then this is plus X, this is minus will become plus 2X by 7. Plus 2X by 7, this is minus Y by 9, this will become minus 2Y by 9 will be equal to 1. Now this Y minus X, see, X minus Y is 1. If I take it that side, so it will become X minus Y, so it will be plus 1 will be 2. Or 2X by 7 minus 2Y by 9 will be equal to 2. The reason is, I am taking this Y minus X. See, if X minus Y is 1, then Y minus X will be minus 1. If I take it that side, it will become 1 plus 1, 2. Now this 2 will get cancelled out. This 2 will get cancelled out. 9X minus 7Y will be equal to 63. Now from this, form another equation, cancel one of the variables. I will do it as 7X minus 7Y will be equal to 7. Now minus this, 2X will be equal to 56. Once you get X as 50, 2X as 56, X will be equal to 28, Y will be equal to 27. The total number of votes are 55. The total number of voters are 55. So this is the way of doing it, a big question. Once you understand the question, it's easy, because at least 85% of students have not understood the question well, and they gave me wrong answers or didn't attempt the question. Subscribe to my channel. I will be adding questions every now and then.